Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you change iPhone lock screen password. So guys, to change iPhone lock screen password, at first go to settings. Now you need to scroll down and here you will see Face ID and passcode. Click on it. Now you need to give your current password here. Now after giving your current password, scroll and here you can see change passcode. Click on this option. Again you need to give your current passcode. Now just enter your new passcode and you need to just verify your new passcode, and by doing this your iPhone lock screen password will be changed. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.